So the question is, what is Archer Aviation? And is it worth investing in? Archer Aviation has surged 53% over the past month, now trading at $4.72 as investor excitement builds around high growth companies. With the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates and the S&P reaching record daily highs, Archer is capturing renewed attention. The company went public via special purpose acquisition in 2021, initially struggled but has now been poised for a robust comeback. Given its new elevated share price, could Archer be a compelling opportunity for the next bull market? Let's explore this potential transportation disruptor and assess if it could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. Stick around and I'll tell you what the share target price for 2025 is right at the end of this video. Archer's business solution is innovation in vertical takeoff and landing. Look guys, traffic congestion remains a pervasive issue costing commuters millions of hours in cities worldwide. Archer Aviation aims to address this with electric vertical takeoff and landing taxis. These are helicopter-like flying vehicles designed to transport passengers across urban areas, bypassing traffic and potentially alleviating road congestion. Archer themselves have said that the company's upcoming service will transport passengers from downtown Manhattan to Newark Airport in under 10 minutes, a trip that typically takes up to an hour or even more. Time-saving solutions like these are highly appealing, and affluent customers will likely pay premium prices for such a convenience. Diving into the financial situation, Archer has a substantial $6 billion in backlog orders, including a commitment to deliver 1,200 units of Midnight aircraft. This provides a strong foundation of demand as Archer progresses towards commercial readiness. Although it's yet to launch its eVTOL services commercially, the company has been making strides through the Federal Aviation Administration, clearing severe regulatory hurdles. In the latest quarterly report, Archer confirms plans to ramp up eVTOL production in 2025, though it remains unclear where the urban air taxi network will officially launch. Investors should anticipate a few more years just before commercial operations do take place. So yes, they have no revenue and they have a significant cash burn. Since Archer's taxi network isn't operational, the company currently has no revenue and is burning substantial cash on research and development and production capacity. Over the past year, Archer used $380 million in free cash flow and holds just over $500 million in cash. This is enough for less than a year at the current burn rate. So my thoughts on the financials. Although revenue may be a few years out, Archer's $6 billion order backlog and its agreement to deliver 1,200 Midnight aircraft provide a promising demand and long-term potential. However, the company's primary hurdles are regulatory approval, production capability, and cash management as it moves closer to commercialization. So I'm going to be honest, the key factor to monitor for anyone worried about buying into this high-risk venture. Archer does remain high-risk. It's early stage with numerous challenges ahead. If it fails to get the air taxi network operational, investors could face substantial losses. Shareholders will be closely monitoring the company's progress, and management is likely to update the timeline each quarter. A particularly scary issue for investors is share dilution, which has significantly impacted shareholder value. Since going public, Archer has raised funds through stock offerings and increasing the outstanding shares by a whopping 48% in recent years. This dilution could weigh on earnings per share and free cash flow per share. That is crucial drivers for long-term investor value. With cash reserves depleting and ongoing expenses, more share dilution is likely on the horizon. Even if Archer successfully launches its air taxi network, substantial share dilution could dampen returns for shareholders over time. If you want to know what I think about the share price will be in 2025, make sure to check out this video next.